Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back again for another video. I just want to touch bases on. Um, I basically had a question about, people that are now entering the Japanese market. As you know, merch, Amazon, they added the Japanese markets, and a lot of people want to know, you know, how to check for trademarks and how to find niches. Was the question. I thought that was a wonderful question. So I'm sure there's other people that have, this issue and they don't want to enter these markets. Um, Honestly, I only reason why I would want to post in the Japanese market is to tear up in that market. Honestly, you'll make the most money in America using, that market. But if you're trying to tear up, or if you're trying to catch a tear up, or you're trying to skip tears, I would recommend doing it. But if that's not the reason, then honestly, I wouldn't post anything, in these markets. But I'm about to answer her question and show you guys how to do this. So, how do you check for trademarks in the Japanese market? So, what you go over here and do is you go over to Google and you search JP trademark checker. It's going to be this first one right here. I already have everything pulled up. You're going to get to this page. It looks like this. And then you're going to go to trademark search to external link. And it's going to take you to this page. And it's when you first get here, it's going to be Japanese. What you want to do is click this. It's going to say English. So you click that. It changes to English. Then you can search your keywords. If it's making you do it in Japanese, then just go straight to Google and translate whatever you're trying to translate. You can just type it in to translate. And yeah, so that's how you do the trademark checker, and how you search for niches and trends. Um, First thing you want to do probably is learn a little bit more about the culture. A lot of people don't know that it's every country is a lot different than America. The things they wear, the things they like, everything. So one thing you want to do is get familiar with the culture if you're really trying to get a more understanding of the Japanese market and the things that they like. So that's one thing. And another thing you can do is you can go to Google Trends. Um, you can come up here and type in t-shirt and then choose where it says garment or something. It'll say clothing or garment. I already chose it. So, um, yeah, choose Japanese. Um, you can choose the last hour, the last 4 hours. I just have 90 days up just to show you guys. Make sure it's under shopping. And then you'll get down here and it'll show you all of the stuff that people are searching for. And none of this shit is gonna make shit to you. Like, this shit looks like a smiley face to us, right? So what you would do is you would come here, um, and you would click explore, and then it'll probably have nothing down here. So what you do is this is where you can copy and paste. So you copy this, right, and then you can hold on. Let me go pull up a new page. Let's go to Google, paste that, and then put translate at the end. Essentials t-shirt. So you would just have to really go through all of these um, trends and to see what they are, I'm sure there's other ways you can Google search some stuff to find out some stuff, or maybe you want to go to some Japanese stores that they have online. Just look kind of, what kind of clothes and what kind of stuff that they sell in there and what's selling. But that's the way to do it, to look at trends. Um, like I said, you can go to, for the last hour, like what's the most searched things. And there's that. I actually want to look at what this is. 'Cause like I said, the culture, it's different, you know? So let's see what that means. T-shirt brand. Huh. So yeah, you just want to go through and look at all of these because it's definitely going to take more energy to research another country. We don't know what the fuck this is. Looks like a bunch of smiley faces. We don't know what that shit means. But basically yeah, so that's how you do your research to find trends. My suggestion is do um to do evergreens when it comes to doing the Japanese market, because I just feel like it'll be easier on you when it's coming to trademarking and different stuff that you don't know is okay. You know, if you do like different stuff you know people do around the world, like, you know, actors, music, film, you know, stuff like that, that you know that people do all around the world. It's easy to translate, stuff like that. So, um, I just wanted to thank Sarah for the question. I was just gonna like type it all out. I was already about to type it all out, you know, but I just want to make this video because I feel like it'll definitely help others. And if you like this content and just how I answer her question, this was literally 10 minutes ago and I'm already on it. Just ask questions. I'll make videos on them. I really want to um, help all my subscribers. And shit, I need you guys' help too. So just go on, subscribe, like, comment, let me know feedback. And, you know, this is a channel for us. You know, this is our merch journey. It's not just my merch journey, it's our merch journey. And however I can help, you know, just let me know, ask questions. I'm always on it. Um, but that's all I have for this video, man. Just go on up, subscribe, show me love. I'm going to show love back. It's going to be reciprocated. And just give me new ideas on videos. I'm going to make sure I post them. And we're going to get a lot of value out of this channel. But yeah, you guys have a blessed day. Get to the money and keep smiling. And yeah, I love y'all. But all right, till next time.